Today we have compiled a list of some of the most incredible new tech gadgets available on the market, from a portable beverage cooler to an amazing new smartphone telescope. Here are 5 amazing new gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Keeback is a brand new futuristic and stylish backpack. The device is high-tech, multimedia driven and designed with safety and practicality in mind. This product is the first of its kind to reach the market. The bag is considered to be wearable technology that will change the concept of wearable bags forever. Its combination of design and technology can suit both your styles and needs regardless of the occasion. The bag offers a sleek new design as well as an RGB display that is both flexible and visible in all types of lighting. The display can be customized to show messages, respond to music, or even play animations. On the base of the unit, a large bass-driven speaker is built in to allow playback of all types of modern music while on the go. The bag is powered by 4 Panasonic rechargeable batteries, which allow an incredible 13,600 mAh of charging capacity. 2 USB ports located on the bottom of the bag also allow you to recharge your phone or other devices without needing a wall outlet. The shell and the straps of the bag are interchangeable as well, allowing you to change the design of the bag to suit your style needs. The bag is currently available for pre-order on Indiegogo, though a price has not yet been made public. Airpix is an all-new drone that claims to allow anyone to take stunning aerial selfies or photos and videos. This product claims to be the easiest and most affordable on the market, and it is a great way for anyone to record everyday special moments while remaining immersed in their life. Airpix is pocket-sized and extremely lightweight. A smartphone app is available for autonomous flight without the need of user interface. The drone comes with a 12-megapixel camera that can capture videos at a resolution of 1080p and 30 frames per second. Airpix even allows gesture control, so you can fly the device without the need of a smartphone. The quality of this drone is unsurpassed for the price range. The product has appeared on countless news and tech outlets and is shaping up to be one of the best drones on the market. Cupcooler is marketed as a smart device that cools down and keeps your drink cold to the last sip. This company set out to redefine portable beverage cooling, with this product being unlike any other on the market. The Cupcooler is up to 6 times faster than cooling your beverage in a standard fridge, as you simply need to plug the device into the wall and wait around 6 seconds for your drink to be cool. You can chill your drink up to 17 degrees in as little as 30 minutes. This product has appeared on several major tech websites and is truly a revolutionary product for drink cooling. You will no longer have to waste your time with ice cubes that can dilute your drink with water, nor will you have to wait hours for your drink to cool in the fridge. The product is easy to use, fast and effective. A working prototype has been on the market for several months, but Cupcooler is now ready to bring their product to the masses. Following a highly successful Kickstarter campaign, the company managed to raise over 350% of its original goal, with Cupcooler now being priced at just $50. Humanheadphone is a strange name for an incredible product. These earbuds offer a 3-in-1 wireless design that can provide the user unsurpassed sound quality while remaining in a small, portable form factor. These buds are extremely powerful, with rich sound packed into a much smaller design than the over-ear headphones. They can remain charged for up to hours of playback. They also contain a series of both touch and voice controls so that you can seamlessly adjust the volume while on the go. These earbuds aren't only great for music, they are also perfect for phone calls. They offer extremely clear voice capture and recreation to ensure that whoever is on the other end of the call can hear you. The headphones are available now for about $200. Stellina is a product unlike any other to reach consumer marketplaces. Stellina is a newly designed telescope that can capture remarkably clear visuals of nearby stars, nebulas, and galaxies. The simplified user interface allows nearly anyone to be able to control the device and locate portions of incredible outer space that surrounds us. The device simply needs to be aimed at the night sky and can then be controlled through a smart device with no need of a full-size computer. Stellina is truly in a league of its own and is described as being the best consumer telescope on the market right now. However, the price tag certainly reflects that. With the base model being available at $3,999, this product will be out of many people's price range, though it certainly is a sight to behold.